Hello again. We haven't got much for the weekend. I was in Perth getting a few more bits and pieces, but I did get the chair finished completely. It's on the rollers, got a little cushion, voila, and it's pretty comfortable. But what we do have going on is for Thursday's video, when I bring it out, we've got the airbags for the Buick over there. I was going to wait until the shed was built, but we're having some pretty good weather, and I want to get them fitted, get the lines on, and basically just cycle the suspension, make sure that everything is all good, the four-link, the front plates, and the make sure all the arms, the control arms and everything are all in the right place. Also make sure the shockies are the right length. Oh yeah, so these ones are just cheapies. These are just from Max Beating rods. They were cheap. They'll basically give us a guide on whether I need to get bigger ones, or if they're the right size, I can use better ones the right size. We end up with some Firestone bags or something like that. These ones are just to make sure that the car will cycle right, all the suspension's in the right place, all the geometry's right. If anything needs to be changed, we'll change it before we get the good stuff in there, and before we pull the car apart to paint the chassis and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We bought a 3D printer, so I've got something on the go at the moment. I'll chuck that in the video if you want to watch. But yeah, if you like what we're doing, give us a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think of the little bomber seat. I'm pretty wrapped with it, and stay tuned on Thursday for the airbags setup.